Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are your monthly readings for the Sun, Moon and the rising sign of Scorpio. Scorpio, please keep in mind this is your group general reading for the month of March 2025. Since it's a group reading, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And if you really like what I do on the channel, please do like, subscribe the channel and put on the notifications. Now there are multiple queries for the hypnotherapy sessions. Yes, if you feel you are stuck in your personal professional life, there is some unknown fear, doubt and anxiety, or maybe there is some pattern in your personal professional life which is giving you disease, discomfort, you may connect with me. All sessions, all therapies and all the tarot reading sessions are prepaid, pre-booked, pre-slotted readings. And the sessions, please connect with me with that understanding. I really appreciate that. Now I'm going to do the tarot insights and the energy oracle for the overall month. Let us see what messages do we have, and then in a while I'm also going to pull out the cards for your money, your career and finances, and accordingly I'm also going to see your goddess oracle for the same. Now let us see the energy oracle for the month of March. Scorpio, you do have a lovely community out there, and this is number 7. 7 is actually indicating a spiritual awakening. It is also indicating increase of inner wisdom, but in your energy it says that more you meet people this time, instead of getting aloof or within yourself, you will be able to look out to a very different aspect of life. You will be exposed to very different style of living, and there will be a newness in your daily basis life as well. The kind of groups you are going to make, the kind of socializing you're going to do, this number 7 is going to really lead you spiritually, mentally, emotionally. And once all this is settled, you will also see the overall financial professional growth coming your way. So this is for the first time, Scorpio, that I'm getting such a different meaning and different energy from this card. And yes, a lot of people, you're going to witness your engagements, your marriage, in case you are looking forward for such events, such celebrations, such ceremonies into your life. But this is going to be a very promising period, the month of March. Either ways, there are 7 planets which are coming up together, and there is a major planetary change from 6th of March onward 2025 for a very long period. So just take the the benefit of best of time. Just see how new things are coming your way. Be ready to explore the same, be ready to witness the same. And yes, if any celebration ceremony is getting fixed up on its own, trust me, it is going to be a very, very auspicious time for you. Yes, you are moving into new groups, new networking, and all together you're moving from one set of people to another set of people. So it's a good time coming forward for you. You also have lovely door to spirit. Yes, because 7 was already indicating that you are going to move into very new kind of environment, culture and new experiences that is going to open the door to your spiritual values, that is going to give you a lot of spiritual boost up, and you will see the life, people, relationships, all situations and circumstances from a very different perspective. With number 5, yes, try to communicate as clear as possible into your life, and this is going to be a very good period for you. And the other energy card, lovely Scorpio people, I told you that you are going into a very, very auspicious, lucky, fortunate time period, because all this is going to bring 100% the financial gain, the financial success, and this is going to be a lot of materialistic comfort and money coming your way. With number 2, multiple sources of coming, but more than 2, my eyes is on number 11. Yes, there is a new bright sign, sun-like newness coming to your life. It's a very, very fantastic, fabulous, very positive and a very strong and a good reading. Take best of the usage of this time, Scorpio people. You have done a lot of healing, since I have been doing the readings on my channel. So many months, so many years has gone into your healing, letting go the past, just building up yourself again together. Now is the time you're going to see the best of time into your life. Now, let us see some messages related to your tarot insights also for the month of March. From your tarot insights, you do have Six of Wands. You also have Three of Swords. You have the Sun, and since beginning, I was talking about the Sun. So after the breakup, after the emotional turmoil, bleeding, past mess up kind of situation, conflictive type of situation, all the situations which has given you enough stress, anxiety, burden on yourself, everything is going to get sorted very well. But the Sun is going to ensure the new bright light into your life. Needless to say, Scorpio people, this is a very rare kind of reading wherein we have got the energies of the cornucopia and the bright Sun, and this is going to be the crux of your reading. The bright life is about to start, and trust me, whatever you feel you have lost, whether it is relationship, it is money, home, whatever you feel you have lost, you will recover it tenfolds from now on, because healing is done. There is no looking back. The only way to look forward is to just wait for the best to happen with you, Scorpio. You are actually going to enter into a very positive period of your life. And the other card is Six of Cup. Yes, there is a possibility of someone returning from your past, bringing not just the opportunities for happiness, growth, and joy, but there will be an overwhelming kind of situation. Now, the angels are giving me one clue right here, and the angels are saying that even if the person from your love life or your past marriage returns, it is very important for you to think sensibly. Somebody who has given you enough hurt, turmoil, betrayal, it's important for you to be just friends with them but not start a new relationship altogether. However, if you're getting an opportunity to work together with a prior ex boss, or maybe an employer or an organization, go ahead, because there will be good opportunities coming your way. So be very careful and wise enough once you are choosing to work with people coming from past, once you're choosing about the relationship to start, and you're thinking about your own well-being. Have some healthy boundaries. Don't forget what you have gone through. The only thing I'm trying to let go is the pain, the hurt. Otherwise, be wise on your experience, be wise on your wisdom, and then take a very careful and a conscious call. And yes, look at your fabulous reading. No one can stop the materialistic comfort gain coming your way. The Sun, the Six of Cups, and King of Pentacles is going to bring happy time in all aspects of your life. It's a fabulous reading today. Now, let us see some insights into your money, career, and finances. And I'm also going to pull out few of your Goddess Oracle card for your money, career. And let us see the messages for your money, career, Scorpio. You have Six of Pentacles. You do have the Knight of Pentacles, and you have a Lovers. Now today in your reading, Scorpio people, you have got lots and lots of money, earth, pentacle cards, which actually means that materialistically, earth wise, you're going to get a lot of benefit which are related to Mother Earth, which means materialistic gain, the money, the financial stability, good relationships coming your way. Now, if you see the money cards, the career cards, there is some karmic balance which is left. But the moment you are done, now whatever you remember that you owe to someone else, it's an obligation, it's a money you have taken, it's a loan you have taken, just give it back, because the time period you are entering is a very fortunate time period. So even if you are not owing anybody anything to anyone and everything is going to be yours, trust me, the opportunities are going to give you enormous money and stability and financial gains. So if you really want to use this particular time, get sorted with all the obligations you have taken from people, whether it's a pending promise, you need to give back some loan, you owe some money to someone, any promise left, just do it, complete it, and just get it over by any chance as soon as possible, because post this you need to look forward to your own growth and development going forward. Now let us see what messages do we have from your goddess oracle card. You also have a card which says go outside. You have been indoors too long. Go outside and get some fresh air. I do feel that you are going to get multiple opportunities to work outside your comfort zone, outside your organization, current engagement, your town, your country. And trust me, these opportunities are going to give a different meaning to your professional life. So be very, very open in case you're getting any opportunity which is forcing you, pushing you to move forward into life. I also feel that maybe you might lack some skills or competencies, but trust me, when there is a fortunate period, luck takes it all over and you just have to do your routine things. So just trust your luck this time, Scorpio. Oh my goodness. This is a fabulous reading for the month of March. The cornucopia, the sun, and Goddess Lakshmi presence in your reading says that all. The Goddess Lakshmi is one of the most important D3, to offer you the blessings, the materialistic blessings. It says, stop worrying. Everything is going to be just fine for you. And Goddess Lakshmi, that too into a money career reading, is a very auspicious sign. And yes, you have already done a lot of healing. So just don't go back to your past memories. Allow it to replace it with the good, newly created thoughts. You're going to make it out. It says time to spend some time near water such as lake, river, or the oceans. It's time for you to recharge your batteries, to take some rest, to take some rejuvenation, but bounce back to the great fortune coming your way. It's time for you to make your career, make your life, and not just be too emotional with whatever has happened with you in the past, Scorpio. After a very long duration, you have got such a beautiful time. Now, let us see some insights into your love and relationships for the month of March. We do have Nine of Swords. We also have Four of Swords. And then we have the card of Emperor. Yes, there are concerns, issues, turmoils, anxiety, a lot of fear, self-confidence issues going on. Maybe Scorpio, I'm getting a sense 4 or 5 people need to hear that. You're going through multiple breakups kind of pattern, and that is giving you a lot of anxiety. Yes, it is many times, it's a karmic cycle also. You need to make some effort to break that down, and for that the angels are giving you a message that try to be as practical and rational and logical as far as possible for you. But overall, the being practical is the only solution. You can bring it into the situation in order to have a conflicting situation, love wise, marriage wise, relationship wise. I do feel this is a little tough period, and that is why I told you that even if you are getting someone from your past, be very, very careful. If someone has given you extreme hurt and pain, it's very difficult to trust the same human being for love. So just see that you're getting practical, you're not flowing into your emotions, you're not getting overwhelmed with your emotions, and you're trying to maintain your peace and calm. Now let us see your final messages for the reading, your fairy messages. It says ask for what you want because the universe is pouring all its blessings on you. Let the universe and the other people know what you want. Try to be as clear as possible in the current month of March, because more you are clear, better you will be able to align your visualization and manifestation to bring it to the reality very soon. And yes, now the same message is getting repeated into your reading. Everything is just going to be fine. Don't worry, because everything, it is nurtured for you, Scorpio, and you are going to get the wish fulfillment any day in the month of March, because everything is working out very beautifully into your favor. It is just the matter of few days or a week's time and you're almost there. And your last card of the reading, to align your future goals, your career goals, or maybe your personal goals, something related to children. But this is also a message that if you're worried about your children, everything is going to be absolutely safe for them. and safe for you. But yes, if you align your personal goals or your career goals, something related to children, their education, mentoring, coaching, tutoring, trust me, that kind of career is going to give you a life soul kind of fulfillment. Do let me know, Scorpio people, how you resonated with your reading. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.